Hello and welcome to The Fun Casino, the channel created to help you beat online casinos and bookmakers. If you're interested in making money from online casinos and bookmakers, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our website. In this video, we're going to talk about Blackjack Insurance. Blackjack Insurance is a side bet only offered to players when the dealer's first card is an ace. Simply put, you are able to place a bet that the dealer has blackjack, a score of 21 with 2 cards. You are placing insurance on your original bet. If the dealer has blackjack, then your original bet will have lost. Blackjack Insurance odds pay out at 2 to 1. Players can bet up to a maximum of half their original bet. For example, if a player has a £20 bet, the maximum a player can bet on insurance is £10. With odds of 2 to 1, this offers the player the chance to win back their original bet if the dealer has blackjack. Insurance is offered before the dealer checks their whole card, the one that's not visible to players. An insurance bet is only a winner if the dealer has blackjack. You might be asking, when should I take insurance at the blackjack table? Insurance can appear to be an attractive option for the player at first glance. If you've been around a blackjack table longer than 10 minutes, you've probably heard the phrase, assume the dealer's second card is a 10. We've explained previously, whilst we understand why people make this assumption, it's not mathematically wise to do so. Yes, there are more cards valued at 10 than any other card, but there are more cards that aren't valued at 10 than are valued at 10. Just 4 out of 13 cards, that's 30%, are 10s. Knowing the probability the dealer has blackjack is 4/13, is insurance a smart bet? Let's break it down. If an event has the probability of 4/13, this means that in 13 events, the outcome will happen 4 times. In simple terms, 4 times it will happen, 9 times it won't happen. That is the same as, for every 1 time it will happen, 2.25 times it won't happen. The true odds for insurance are 2.25 to 1. If the casino was being completely fair, they would pay 2.25 to 1 rather than 2 to 1. It's clear we are being paid below the odds for this bet, and therefore, in the long run, Blackjack Insurance is a losing bet. Is there a scenario when Blackjack Insurance is a good bet? Despite the mathematical odds already highlighted, there's a strong argument where betting on insurance is a good idea for 2 scenarios. Number 1, you have a hand total of 20. With a hand total of 20, you're in a really strong position. If the dealer does not have blackjack, your chance of winning the hand are extremely high. Therefore, losing half of your original bet size won't be too upsetting if the dealer does not have blackjack, because more often than not, we will double our original stake. For example, with a bet size of £10, losing £5 on an insurance bet and then winning £10 is still a nice little profit of £5. Of course, there is still the possibility that the dealer will not have blackjack and then proceed to beat us by making a hand score of 21, meaning we lose both our insurance bet and the original bet. Scenario 2, counting cards. If you've been counting cards, you may notice that the deck has more high cards remaining. If your count indicates this, then taking insurance could be a smart bet. With more high cards means more 10s. With more 10s means there's a higher probability the dealer will have blackjack. If counting cards has you lost, we've created a separate video on how to count cards. Check the top right hand corner and the links in the description below for more details. In conclusion, when the casino gives you the option to bet on insurance, they aren't doing it out of the goodness of their hearts. It is yet another opportunity for them to make more money. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.